Hi, I'm Tomáš, and I'm working in the finance industry nearly for 10 years right now. I'm developing trading and investment strategies for several years because I'm interested in trading on financial markets from my 17, and my main goal is set up my own algo trading desk and my investment fund. Making money by trading is much more challenging every year, and it's a very competitive industry. So you need have a good edge, and for me that edge is knowledge. If you treat trading as a business, sharpening your skills and knowledge is absolutely must. I wanted to learn a more statistical approach to analyze and to research financial data, then learn how to use Python and R for trading system development and use in quantitative finance, and then the real examples of the real quants and basic concepts and trading strategies used in real markets. The biggest benefit of the EPAT training, I mean, it's an in-depth curriculum and very well structured lectures with assignments where you can evaluate skills you learned and use it immediately and get feedback from the real practitioners. Skills I learned in EPAT program I'm going to use in my own trading system development to build up some more robust models and attract some investors and start up my own algo trading desk. In my opinion, EPAT training, it's a most comprehensive educational program on algorithmic and quantitative trading I have ever seen. So I mean, if you are serious about quantitative trading, it's the best place where to start.